And we're rolling. So it's July the 1st. And, oh shit, we have hail coming down. Pretty dang hard. Yep. Ooh. Sounds bad, it hits that tin, eh? See if I can get hit by one. Damn. Oh, that hit my head. Oh, that hurt. Oh. Okay, we're rolling. So today I'm going to change the blades on this mower. So I'm going to climb under here right now. I got a little mat. Let's see if I can. Okay. Make sure that's the right size. Yep, it is. So the deal is we have to break these bolts loose. 1, 2, and 3, and then just put the new blades on. So hopefully they'll fit, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so I'm gonna see what I can do with this first one here, if I can get it to break loose. Because I have to get my foot up there, but jeez Louise, it's been coming. So I'm gonna have to get another. That is not goodness. There we go. That's one. There we go. So take that off. All right. Now, that sits right in this. Oh, yeah, perfect. Got it from a machinery dealer in town. These blades. And I'll tell you what, they weren't cheap. I think it was, for 3 of them was 340 bucks, something like that. All told. That's not in there, just quite right. Okay, obviously I have to tighten it now. Might as well do that while I'm here. Oh, wait. I have to go back and do a bunch of stuff if I can help it. Okay, let's walk on there. There we go. That's one. They're all gonna. Whoops. They're all gonna be the same. See here. So I'll bring it back once we're done, and then we're gonna try it out. Okay, we're back. So finally, I got that one off. This one was a real bear, but Andy lowered it down so I could leverage on it, get my foot on there, and I was able to break her loose. It wasn't that terrible, it was just hard to do with these blades like this. Anyway, I'm going to take this one off and switch it out, and then we're going to give it a try. So, as you can see, we got them all on. This one here was a little tough, and I think I got them all on the same as they should be. I put them on the way the other ones were on. Have to take those to the scrap yard. Take out my little bowl here I used to hold my phone. I have to get a proper camera and all that stuff because these ones are a pain to watch, I know. If it wasn't for my exceeding wit, they wouldn't be watching they wouldn't be watching these at all. So there you go. Gee, Andy, you didn't have to laugh that loud. Holy shit. Anyway, we're going to get this thing going, and I'm going to bring you back and show you how good it mows. I'm sure it'll be just fine. Okay. So here's the test. It's going to go around the yard a little bit, and yeah, nice to mow the grass in his pajamas. Trying to block the wind here. It's pretty darn windy. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, he'll have to go over it again. There you go. You get the point there, it seems to work.